yourself a bold look that is sure to give you a boost of height and confidence when you walk out in the Grooves boots by Dirty Laundry. You'll adore this beautiful synthetic upper that has a lovely leather-like appearance and has a beautiful glossy shine. The rounded toe will give you quite the beautiful silhouette, especially when paired with that tall, over 8-inch shaft. You'll love that there's a zipper closure allowing you easy access into or out of this boot, and you'll find that inside is a super soft synthetic lining. The insole has a generous amount of cushioning to give you some extra comfort, and you'll absolutely adore that beautiful block heel that'll give you a beautiful 3.5-inch boost of height and style, definitely elevating you and your look. The 1-inch platform will add some stability, while the synthetic outsole has lots of ridges and grooves to give you some extra grip as you strut along this fall.